There is a place where the sun always seems to shine a little brighter, where the air carries the gentle scent of citrus and lavender, and time slows to a graceful rhythm. This is the essence of Mediterranean living, a world where simplicity and elegance blend seamlessly with nature, creating spaces that feel alive, timeless, and deeply connected to the earth. The warmth of the sun, the coolness of the sea breeze, the serenity of olive groves. This is a design that is more than a style. It's an experience, an invitation to savor the moment and find peace in the beauty that surrounds you. In a Mediterranean home, life flows effortlessly from one moment to the next. The spaces are open, bathed in natural light, and filled with the textures and colors of the landscape. Whether nestled in the hills or near the shore, these homes speak a language of timelessness, a quiet harmony between human craftsmanship and nature's own design. There is a certain calm that settles over you as you step into the world of Mediterranean design. It's a feeling that transcends walls and ceilings, one that invites you to breathe deeply and slow down. Earthy tones, soft curves, and natural materials envelop you, creating an atmosphere of warmth and tranquility. The gentle light that filters through wide windows feels as though it's been invited in, welcomed to dance across textured surfaces and cast long, serene shadows. It's the feeling of stepping into a place where every detail feels alive. The textures speak to your senses, the cool touch of aged stone, the soft embrace of sun-warmed wood, the natural beauty of handcrafted elements. The colors are those of the earth itself: terracotta, deep greens, rich browns, and soft creams. Everything feels connected to the land, as though the home is a natural extension of its surroundings. The air carries with it the scent of the sea and the earth, as if every breath brings with it a reminder of the world outside. This connection to nature isn't just aesthetic, it's woven into the very fabric of the design. Every corner, every surface, every material reflects a quiet respect for the world around it. There is nothing rushed or forced here, only a deep sense of balance, of harmony. At the heart of Mediterranean design is the perfect balance between simplicity and elegance. It's a style that doesn't shout for attention, but quietly invites you to explore. Each element, from the handcrafted tiles to the smooth curves of the architecture, feels purposeful yet unpretentious. There's a timeless quality that endures, a design that never fades with trends, but remains rooted in tradition, while still embracing modern life. The beauty of this design is found in the details. Subtle contrasts between the rough and the smooth, the light and the shadow, create a dynamic yet peaceful atmosphere. It's a style that honors craftsmanship, where every material, every texture, feels like it has been chosen with care. And yet, nothing feels overly ornate. There is a sense of restraint, a simplicity that feels luxurious in its subtlety. This elegance is never disconnected from comfort. Mediterranean spaces are designed to be lived in, to be experienced fully. They invite you to relax, to linger, to enjoy the simple pleasures of life, whether it's the warmth of sunlight filtering through, the coolness of a stone floor beneath your feet, or the gentle breeze that flows through open windows. It's a style that brings the outside in, creating a seamless connection between nature and home. There is a quiet story woven into every Mediterranean home, a story told through the materials that make it. Stone, wood, and clay are the building blocks of this design, each one chosen for its ability to age gracefully and endure. These materials feel as though they have been shaped by both human hands and the passage of time, creating a sense of history and permanence. Stone walls, with their rough textures, feel solid and grounding, as if they are part of the landscape itself. The wood, often reclaimed and weathered, brings warmth and a sense of tradition, and the tiles, with their intricate, hand-painted patterns, add a touch of artistry that speaks to generations of craftsmanship. These are not just materials. They are memories of the earth, captured and shaped to form a living, breathing space. But there is also a lightness to Mediterranean design, a sense that, despite the strength of these materials, the home itself is open, airy, and alive. The architecture embraces the flow of air and light, allowing the spaces to breathe and connect with the world outside. Whether it's the way the light shifts throughout the day or the soft echo of footsteps on a cool floor, these homes feel alive with the rhythms of nature. Long before sustainability became a global conversation, Mediterranean homes were living examples of eco-conscious design. Built with materials that are naturally abundant, these homes are not only beautiful, but sustainable. Thick walls of stone and stucco provide natural insulation, keeping the interiors cool during hot summer days and warm during the cooler months. The use of natural ventilation allows fresh air to flow freely, reducing the need for artificial cooling. But beyond function, the eco-chic nature of Mediterranean design is rooted in a deeper philosophy. It's about creating a home that is in tune with its environment, one that works with nature rather than against it. From the use of reclaimed materials to the integration of outdoor spaces, these homes are designed to minimize their impact on the earth while maximizing comfort and beauty. This connection to nature is reflected in the layout as well. Outdoor spaces become an extension of the home itself, with terraces, courtyards, and gardens providing spaces to relax, dine, and enjoy the natural world. The boundaries between inside and outside blur, creating a seamless transition from the comfort of the home to the beauty of the landscape. It's a way of living that embraces the elements, sun, wind, earth, while offering protection and serenity. There is a certain grace to Mediterranean design that feels timeless. It's a style that has endured for centuries, rooted in tradition, yet perfectly suited to modern life. The timelessness of this design is found in its adaptability, how it can be both rustic and refined, both traditional and contemporary. It's a design that evolves with time, yet never loses its connection to the past. This elegance is not about excess or extravagance, but about finding beauty in simplicity. It's the way natural light falls on textured walls, the feeling of cool air on a hot day, or the sense of peace that comes from being surrounded by nature. These homes offer a quiet luxury, one that is felt rather than seen. Yet, for all its timeless charm, Mediterranean design is far from old-fashioned. It embraces modern comforts with ease, blending the best of both worlds. Smart, energy-efficient designs, integrated seamlessly into the architecture, ensure that the home is not only beautiful, but functional. It's a style that feels luxurious without being ostentatious, modern without losing its soul. In the world of Mediterranean design, time slows down, and the connection to nature deepens. Every texture, every color, and every breath of fresh air invites a sense of tranquility and balance. It's more than just architecture. It's a lifestyle that embraces simplicity, sustainability, and timeless beauty. A design rooted in tradition, yet effortlessly modern, offering a peaceful sanctuary from the fast pace of life. As you've journeyed through the essence of Mediterranean homes, we hope you've been inspired to embrace the elegance of this style. If you felt the warmth, the harmony, and the peacefulness in this experience, don't forget to like this video. Share your thoughts with us in the comments. How would you incorporate this timeless beauty into your own space? And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to Visionary Designs for more immersive explorations into the world of architecture and interior design. We'll continue to bring you captivating styles and transformative ideas that inspire. See you in the next video.